Oh, I'll tell you the reasons your vision board isn't working, and I'll tell you how to fix it. If you're a female entrepreneur, hit subscribe and let's talk. What's happening, boss lady? I'm Tara Wagner, your belief breakthrough coach. I teach female entrepreneurs struggling with the work-life balancing act how to overcome things like overwhelm and imposter syndrome so they can finally get things done and scale their business without scaling their stress. And in this video, I want to talk to you about 3 reasons your vision board isn't working and what you can do about it. I work with and know a lot of very successful entrepreneurs, and can I be honest with you? Very few of them waste their time on traditional vision boards. In fact, the people that I know that love vision boards the most tend to be the least successful. And I don't think that this is because vision boards don't work. I don't think vision boards are supposed to work. They're supposed to help us work, but they're not always taught in this way. I'm going to introduce you to 3 reasons, I almost said 2, 3 reasons your vision board isn't working, starting with number 3, and show you how successful entrepreneurs use them. Reason number 3, your vision board is not working, is that it's filled with the wrong things. Most people grab some magazines and they fill up their vision board with pictures of things that grab their attention or that they like or words that they resonate with, but it's generic. It's not specific to their goals. Successful entrepreneurs aren't focused on filling their vision boards with things at all because they know that things change and they don't stay motivating for very long. Instead, they fill their vision board with images that help them focus on values, purpose, impact, and the way they want to feel. There are fewer things, fewer details, because they know the details change, but their intentions and what they really want to experience and do in their life is the most important thing and the biggest thing that's going to drive them forward, keep them motivated, keep them on track with this vision. But this means that you need to have a clear vision before you can turn it into a vision board. And if you don't have that, my recommendation would be to slow down, to allow yourself to develop it and build that vision board to portray your vision slowly over time as you gain more clarity around what you're really wanting to create or experience in your life. Another thing that successful entrepreneurs focus on is actions, the actions required to create the thing they want to create. And this is because the research on visualizing or vision boards actually shows that if you visualize the outcome, it gives you a false sense of confidence. Whereas you visualize, if you're visualizing the actions needed to create that outcome, it gives you the confidence to do those things, which enables you to hone your craft or increase your skill or create actual momentum in your goals or in your business. Think about this. Michael Phelps didn't imagine himself standing on the podium receiving a gold medal. He visualized himself and the movements that his body was taking as he was going through the water. That's what he attributes his success to. Not picturing success at the finish line, but picturing the motions, the actions necessary to be able to get there. Reason number 2 your vision board isn't working is that it elicits the wrong emotions. A lot of times we sit there and try to picture the way that we're going to feel once we get there. And sometimes that can be helpful, but what I find is even more helpful is to picture the emotions you want to feel on your way there. Your vision board shouldn't just make you feel good in this moment while you're picturing yourself succeeding. It should make you feel inspired, encouraged, motivated, capable of doing the things necessary to move your vision forward. It should also make you feel strongly aligned with your why. Not the what, not the how, not what it's going to be like when you get there, but why. Why are you really doing this? Because those are the things that are going to encourage you and keep you moving forward when maybe the challenges arise or you hit on, a dead spot or you just can't seem to get unstuck and you're asking yourself, why am I doing this? Your vision board should help you to realign with that why, get you inspired, get you encouraged, and get you moving. Drop me a comment below and let me know in one word how you want to feel as you're working towards your vision. And then reason number 1 why your vision board isn't working, it's because you're not working. You're letting your vision board be a means of distraction or procrastination to actually putting in the blood, sweat, tears, hours, hard work necessary to move this bad boy forward. Like I said, vision boards serve the purpose of aligning you to your why, helping you keep your momentum up, your motivation up, but it's not going to take the place of action. The universe is not just going to give it to you because you put a picture on your vision board. Even to the universe, actions speak louder than words. It's not uncommon to create the dream and avoid the actions. In fact, if you find yourself really getting stuck and avoiding your goals, no amount of vision boards is going to move you forward. When that happens, we need to understand why. What is actually keeping us stuck and what can we do to move forward? If you're struggling with overwhelm or resistance around your goals, I have a link in the description to a free training that teaches you the only 5 things you need to address to understand why you're not achieving them. It's called Bottlenecks to Breakthroughs. It's 100% free. You can grab it up in the corner or down in the description below. And while you're down there, leave me a comment and let me know what it is you love about vision boards, how it is you make them work for you, and any other tips you have for others who might be reading. Make sure you grab that Bottlenecks to Breakthroughs training, and if you are a female entrepreneur, be sure to hit subscribe, hit that like button, share this video with other female entrepreneurs who might be struggling with their vision boards. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.